Yeah, yeah, babes. Warm tear, how you sound, sir? What? Cramp? Where you want pill? No, my girl, man, not buy them thing, my girl.
Come by. Come by. Come and take the pan. Come go by.
Man, not buy them, a joke.
Novoo Pandorahh.
Yes, sir! Novoo, and you don't know what time is it. Come back with a banger. Next video! More 1,000 likes for this.
Because that's what friends do.
My girl, I'm gonna buy a pad for her. Bad man, not buy a pad, you see it? Banger, watch out. Yeah, you see me, I say? Notification shout out go to Tamika McGregor and Danjay_. Big up yourself, you see it? Make sure this get 1,000 likes. 1,000 likes more. You see me? We need it. Thanks for the support you give me. I really appreciate it. When I get videos Sunday and Thursday, wrap it. I'm out of breath.
That's okay, take your time.
Oh,
Yeah, boy. Hello? Hey, babes. Yeah, what are going on? Alright? I'm here. What kind of pain?
No, but what the time?
So, what you want me to get some pills for you? No, I'm not buy them thing, the babes. What kind of pad? I'm not buying a pad. I can't buy a pad, my girl. What kind of thing that bad man not buy pad, yo? At Jamaica, this. I'm different down a supermarket, yo. Miss, you can't go in a supermarket go buy a pad for me. My girlfriend, she say her period just come.
Yes.
You gonna buy it for me?
Could I help you out?
But me not. How much for it? How much for it?
You know, so normal, them said things there, you know.
It there?
You know, hear me say?
Normally.
Them said things there, you know, so especially when you have more than one.
Oh, so.
You have the small one and you have the big one.
You have the small one and the big one?
Yes.
So I don't know which one she want.
You should have some.
So she probably want the one with the bird. What that name?
And it's stick on.
Yeah, wing.
Yeah, wing.
Chicken wing.
Yeah, the wing one.
Yeah, babes, what you say go on? Come to you. So you want me to walk on? What? My girl, where you come with me to, my girl? Where you come to me with the... What that? My girl, man nah buy that, man. Oh, I'm to you, man nah buy that. Man nah buy no pad, my girl. Oh, I'm to you. Man, a gangster on the street. What kind of thing you take, man, for that? What? Man nah go over there so big go. See it? General, you da buy a pad for your girl? You da buy a pad for your girl? What you man a laugh? My girl, see the man a laugh off of you. Man, nah, do that, my girl. You da buy that, G? Yeah. No, no. See me, I tell you, man a gangster out here. Now, what you take, man, for? Eh? What you say, G? What you say, go on?
Watch out, bro, God. You see me, if it's a beer, you're real, bro, God. I'll show you something. You see me? Respect you. You see me? See from a yearn, bro, God, and a yearn, bro, God. From sick, bro, God. Just be a man, bro, God. Buy your thing and put in a bag, bro, God, and put in a ear pocket. You know the right thing. You don't want the other man do it because you lose it.
My nigga.
Yo, my girl, man can't buy them things, my girl. Man not buying a pad for you, my girl. Kind of thing. Hey, General, what you say? Man not buy them. You say, duh. Man eat your laugh. Tell her no, tell her.
We should know my friend. We should know my friend, man.
See me, I tell you, I'm a general say to big up here. Man not buy, yeah, man not buy pad. Man not buy pad, lady. You know, can't use something else if that happen, man. Oh, you can't move. General, it hard if your man buy pad?
Not a problem. It's not plastic, man. You can't go take it up and buy it, man.
But I don't know which one to buy. I'm confused.
Ask her if she want the one with wings or what.
Wings? What difference?
You should have heavy flow.
You know enough things. You know enough things.
Always stay free.
Yeah.
Mine.
Yeah.
So Libera's asked her which one she used.
Which one she used?
Yes.
And if I flow
Alright, may I come, yeah?
If I flow heavy.
If I flow heavy?
Yeah.
You flow heavy? You have heavy flow? Yeah, babes, what you say? Now put on the bag, yeah? You feel pain? Why? What you want me to do? Get your pill? No, I can't buy them things there, babes. Bad man a buy pad, yo. Bad man a buy pad, babes. What kind of thing? Hey, my friend, my girl, I have a period and she buy her pad. You can't buy it for me. But I don't have the, how much for it?
How much you pay? About $200. Which one brand shoe?
Which one the wing?
The wings, the one,
What brand?
Curve, always. Always in name, always. That one the expensive one. Yeah, stress me. You want to stay free with what name? Stay free?
Stay free.
Stay free with wings.
So you don't know them
I don't know. Why them a laugh off of me?
No, you feel me.
Bad man a buy them thing, the lady. Why you pressure me for?
Why?
Why am I not buy it?
Nothing wrong with real man buy it.
Real man buy it? So me a real man.
That's why you buy it because they're
Come and show you.
You gotta show me. Now, which one you want? Tell me now. You cannot get that one. That one too expensive, woman. For the always?
Yeah.
Too much money. Lady, what is wrong with you?
After she want curve.
You want the curve? She said too cheap. It makes you scratch. One not cheap. Yeah, babes. Where's it going? Yeah, where is it? I be your honor blow. Where is it going? Warm tear. Where you want me to get a pill for you? My girl, man, nah buy that for you, my girl. Yo, man, nah buy that, yo. You should even have said that to me, man. Big man, you ask for buy pad for you. Warm tear, man. Warm tear. A styling thing you depend, yo. Watching people in the taxi all laugh off of me because I fool they take me for miss. Either is a something for a man buy a pad though. You would send a man for buy a pad. You would do that though. You do it alone, right?
I've asked my husband to buy.
Oh, you ask your husband, yeah, because you're married to him have to do that. What you say about that, Browning? You ever do that? You know, I ask a man for buy a pad for you though, because you for do that though. You never yet do it, so alright, you're not pressure. What about you, Slimmers? You do it? Or what him say? Him have to buy it? Hello? Say at him say I have to buy it. Because a badness you had proven.
You doing that job later.
What kind of pod for you, lady? What kind of thing that bad man to buy that, yo? Yo. You're in a pain, but I can't buy a pad for you, yo. I can't, bad man. Do. Hey, mommy, she asked me to buy a pad for you. I don't know young youth not do them thing there. What you say, mommy? They all laugh. A serious thing.
You can't do it for your man.
But a pad, you don't know. I mean, a man, you know, even generally go buy a pad now. People laugh off of you, you know, think so. See me tell you, people are laugh. People are gonna laugh, man. If you see me buy pad, they're not laugh. See that the man a laugh to you buy it for my mommy. Me a stress so. Which one you want, lady? Yo, too much detail, you have wing, you have how much you have wing, you have always.
Just buy a pack of curves.
Buy a pack of curves. Curves and it alright. Cotton covered curves.
She must satisfy with that. I don't use it again when my children use it.
Alright. No.
Real people don't do that. Real people don't laugh.
Alright then.
Real people don't laugh.
Alright then. Come. Cause you don't know man a bad man, I buy pad, you see it.
No, if she in a hospital, where you go do?
Yeah, me that try help her out. Me that help her out.
What you going to do? She can't come out to do it. So I mean, real man, you know,
Yeah, yeah, babes. Warm tear, how you sound, sir? What? Cramp? Where you want pill? No, my girl, man, not buy them thing, my girl.
Go come by. Where you can come by?
General, what you say about that? A fool in shall come with me with. Personal woman, yeah, I'm a personal woman, but yeah. I don't even know which one you want, my girl. You have pressure on my head right now, you know. Every floor I want.
Come here and take the pan. Come go by.
Man, I buy a joke. You want to my girl, man, I buy pad.
Buy.
Mommy, what you say? I'm a stripe, she got to take away, you know.
No stripe now, take away. You're a man and you're a father and you're a real man.
Yo, my friend go see me buy that. Yo, them not rape me again.
Virgin, come on, man.
You bad me for buy it. Lady, what kind, which one you want?
Curve or overnight.
Curve or overnight. What kind of flow you have? At the light flow you have. Which one you gonna buy? You gonna show me which one?
Yeah.
And you gonna pick it up?
Yeah.
You gonna escort me everything.
Yeah.
Come now touch it, you know. Bad man, I do them things, you don't know.
Yo, my girl, I deal with them for you. Me and mother.
My video that she can see. I'm a good man. No, but I not really want to touch it. Yeah.
I ask one person. He said, if she's sick in a bed,
yeah.
Can't move, and that time you come here, you run, virgin?
No, I not really want to run. They fear.
Virgin.
But my virgin them, you don't know your friend.
No, you're a real man more than them.
So them a beard?
Yeah.
Me a general.
I always love go there when it dry. What make you afraid for buy when the cover it up when it's sick?
It's not really sick, it can't sick. Why you call it sick?
No.
I don't like when you say that, man. I want to chew me off, man. No, man. See, you see me?
Wings, yeah?
Oh, these are the wings one.
The wings there again. More wings there.
So which one are the heavy duty one?
The heavy duty one. Overnight.
Alright, so these are the wings if you want. Oh, that one here.
At the same time, I have this and then here.
Yeah.
So when that overnight one, because it run heavier when it just starts.
Oh, when it just starts, it run heavy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So when it's done, you put on this. When it's really done and a drain, and this to dry.
Oh, like a padding, like a jet.
Yeah.
Enough information you tell me.
Don't afraid to take them up. You hear me, Virgin?
Yeah.
Don't afraid to take them.
Don't afraid to take them
Me
up.
tell you that.
I rate that rasta. Yeah, man.
So that's why you be able to come out and that's why you come out and tell your mother.
Yeah, but if I'm a mother, different. Alright, I understand.
Right.
Big up for that, yeah, man. I appreciate it. One love. Alright then, yeah.
Don't make nobody tell them nothing, Virgin, especially when they go by. Don't make nobody tell them shit.
No, man.
General more than that.
Alright.
Real general tell them, Mr.
You said so. Alright. See that? See that your son over 1,000 like, you know. 1,000 like. Big up my camera personnel, HAKEEM Hunter. He's a great one, is it?
I tell you, nobody here when the other man say, I know.
Yeah, but you wait till a friend gone here, tell me this G.
Wait until my dog come out. I tell you, you see.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, puff right now. We're all off.
Oh, because I joke thing, she depend how she approach me,
oh,
you
she
see me?
approach you.
Yeah.
But otherwise, from that road, God, just look into it and serve me.
So you say I can deal it. So you ever did it?
Yeah, bro, God. I tell you.
Because you kill out in the street, so once you do that, you see me?
You just take it up, bro, God, and just do it, bro.
Man not even know which one.
Alright, watch I know.
Yeah.
Let me show you style do you think, bro, God. Go to one of the girl them down there.
Yeah.
You see me? And say your mama, watch I know. Be, them say, yo, just say I see this. I don't know them, just let me get one of your area woman, sir. She look on you different, probably I want her.
She don't want me for that.
I want to bro, God. Style of things in our life. Wait until that come.
No, man, a real thing, man. I can find out which one she want them, you see it?
Yeah, bro.
Because once you always a killer in the street and you do that, a simple mean once you check for a girl, you just do that, you see it? Not watching her face, you see it?
Watch her face, bro.
Alright then.
Go to her and everything. Hear her pussy that, you know, bro. You see me?
Overnight wings. That one there, the big one. One there, the big one.
No, it's not big, but you want the one with the wings and with a little thicker part. You'll see it.
Me see it. Some oat meat and it see.
No.
See she a spin. Me no know. You can, lady, you see enough stress this year I put me through, you know. No, she has stressed me. Yeah. She said she used the heavy one. Because I float.
It's written on the packet.
It's written on the packet, yeah.
So
Which one the always?
It's written the heavy flow and buy the one
heavy
with
flow
Yeah.
with wings. Overnight?
Yeah.
Heavy flow overnight with wings.
But I don't want a man. Suppose my bridging see me and buy them thing there.
No, you're woman.
Yeah, I'm a woman.
Yes, a woman is woman.
So I buy me up now.
No, woman respect you and say what? Of course.
So I get more woman for buy that.
Okay.
What, she can buy the stick one. What the stick one name? The long stick one.
That I wing them call.
No, the stick one.
Then call the one.
Stick one, I think that.
What name, Rasta?
Them up.
And you put it up under.
Put up on, but then when the thing starts, touch it, it starts swelling.
Yeah, what name?
They call stay free.
No, not stay free.
One like what your mother gave man, the stick one man.
Me no
I say you don't
remember
put,
that
you
one.
know, use them to the
Oh, some people now use them.
Yeah, and
Remember say I don't.
some people it's uncomfortable with them.
Oh.
Like the same thing what them get.
Each
when
one
them
of
do them. You understand?
Each
Ah,
one
ah,
of them have different names.
Okay. Tamp. I think I that it name. Rasta know it. You know your stuff.
No,
Rate
man,
that.
I mean, you don't think them one come out and go buy them stuff, man.
Oh, you-
Buy them stuff, man.
You have the pink
Rate
one.
that, man.
Yeah.
What I'm to you? Where you want? One pill? You can buy a Andrews, man. My girl, I not buy that. Yo, I not buy that lady. I not buy that big man. Bad man, I buy them thing there, yo. No, you can't look for a big man and ask them for buy a pad. What kind of thing that, man? You ever hear me ask you for buy a pad? No. That simple means I'm not going to ask you that. You never ask me that, man. General, either buy a pad for your girl.
How old for time we buy that, brother? How old you? Brother, first and thing that you. And them do the way they start today, so what you going to do? What them going to do? Them can't put on tissue, infection now.
So if them use tissue, your infection
Infection, them get. Them, yo, vagina very delicate, you know.
sensitive.
Yeah, so I'm not, brother. You just go to the market there on the shelf. You never got a wholesale.
But I don't know, yeah, I can't go to
all you
wholesale
have to do,
car.
this is the go to the supermarket and just ask her what brand she use, and then they on the shelf, you take off one, pay feet, and like that. Simple as.
Enough option there, I not even know
No,
which one,
just
if I
ask her
every
which
flow.
one she use. No, just ask her which one she use.
Yeah.
Just call her and say which one you use.
Yeah.
And you see them and you just use it.
You see a simple thing, you buy regular.
What you talking about, man?
The thing,
Write it on paper and give the farmers shop or
No,
whatever.
man. Go over there.
you buy it for me? You buy it for me, you buy it for me?
No shame, no that, brother.
You don't know a killer friend I have, them gonna laugh off for me, you don't know that, man. Them not there, but them can't see me. Nah, cheap. So you can't run it out for me? My girl, I got a beat up thing at the on you. I know, you want to hear my girl. So, how much feed? It's expensive?
I don't know.
I can't go in there and say I want a bread. But they might sell me the wrong thing though.
Now, man, going to pick it up off of the shop.
I have to go cover my head in the car. I don't really want. I'm a gangster, you know. Hello? Yeah, babes. Where you say going? No, I'm there at the ATM. What to you? Where you want, pill? What? My girl, man, nah buy that fear, yo. Big killer, you ask for this, my girl, man, nah buying a pad fear. What to you, my girl? No, you should have a, yeah, man, if you're in a pain, so you know, the shop not there next door. Yo, a foolish you ask me, you know. That machine there, miss, imagine, my woman I talk about, she want me to buy her pad for her. Eh? So if I love her, if I don't love her, I don't have to do it. You laugh, you don't take me serious.
You love her, man. You can buy it at the store. Just go to the supermarket and pick it up and then catch it and throw it in a bag.
Oh, so them I tell you what to buy and thing.
Yeah,
Come and know what to buy, you know.
Just go to the supermarket and pick up one and then we tell you which one they come.
But people are going to laugh off from the start.
Nobody not laugh at
She share bad name, she has some banana sense. See, tell you. You don't buy it, General? You buy it already? I'm me alone there now. Nah, cheap. About me as a man, I don't want to go buy them things there. Real man alone, I don't want. You see me go in there now, I get confused.
Look, come on. When you are there,
yeah.
All the girls might look for you or catch it.
Yeah.
Just a little smile. But she said, I might be a good man.
Oh, when my buy, she going to say a good man. Nah, cheap. Imagine my girl talk about she want to buy a pad. Now disrespect she disrespect me. Yeah, laugh, you see? Yeah, laugh, though. I tell you, man. I can't buy a pad for you, my girl. Even my elder, she want to buy a pad for her. Can't buy a pad for you, lady. My girl, I can't buy a pad for you, my girl. Yeah, I love you, but I can't buy the pad for you. Imagine my friend, my girl wants to buy a pad for her. No bad, no clown she take me for. See them laugh off of me there. Laugh off of me, my girl. I beat them for me can't buy no pad, my girl. I fool them for. All if you're in a paint, now shop next door to you. In Shorty. My woman know I'm buy a pad. Now beat you take me for. Talk to me now, what you say? What that face they mean? Ushan me for buy. Tell me Ushan for buy now, how much feet? Buy her confident. He my elder, see the man all live him life right. The same him good out here. Chano star. My girl not even people stop buy pad for people nowadays. He my elder, my girl wants to buy a pad for her. Now fool she take me for. Big man she ask for buy pad. Eh? What you think? Eh? But I don't know which one to buy. It's complicated, I don't know. The people are going to see me buy pad, they might think me a bait, yo.
No, look here. You just go in there and just tell them to call them on and say it away, and then we wrap it up. And just go down there.
Wrap it up.
It just work up for us. And just go down at it.
Right, that's all.
Yeah.
Alright then. Because I don't expect she to ask me for buying a pad, you see it? Because you don't know I'm a killer out here. You see me? My girl shop there near you, I'm not for buying a pad for you. Just go next door, no man. And you see it? I'm not going to get for buying a pad because he's a man. Man not buy pad for people. Chano star. Yeah. No, people not, man, stop do them thing, them my girl. I'm not going to buy a pad for you. Me ever ask you for buy a pad? So why you going to ask me for buy a pad for you, eh? Why you going to ask me that? No, I be to take me for. Hey, mommy. Mommy, you don't like a man to buy a pad for you? Hey, mommy. Real man to buy pad. A fool to take me for. Fear ask me that. She want me to buy a pad for her. No foolishness that. What you say? Which one? But you not talk. What you say, lady? What you say?
I don't know Cortex. I normally use Cortex. I can get
But a man, I can't buy them things there.
What do you mean? Nobody now.
Them are going to laugh off for me, you know.
Nobody now laugh off of you.
You start laugh now.
When I laugh 2019, no, nobody now laugh off of you again. I regularly send my boyfriend to do it.
And him do it? Him a bad man?
Oh, you mean if I'm a bad man? No, but at 2019, no, nobody cares about that anymore.
Which one you want? Every floor. She says she have every floor.
Well, you can, it depends on which one you want. I normally use Cortex and
Cortex.
Yeah.
She want wing. What are wing?
Wings.
Wings?
Wings. Cortex with wings.
Cortex. That one they good? You know, can't use a stick something. What the stick something name? Tab. You're not good with that? Alright. What you say I can go buy it? You laugh off. Me stress out. You saw me look stressed out. Me not look stressed out.
Me not laugh off of you. It's simple. It's easy.
Oh, big up yourself here. My woman a beg me buy pad for her. And she tell me said alright.
Support, man. You can't do it, man.
Exactly.
No, but she has stressed me. You da buy it for her? You da buy pad for your girl? Yeah, but them are going to laugh off of me.
Nobody not laugh off of you. I promise you nobody no business with you.
You want to get it now? Come on, thirst.
Once something they come out, you can have it.
It has stress.
Oh, come superman. Which part
Yeah.
you go buy?
Them say which part best for buy it? Wholesale. Me no want a wholesale people. Them go sell me Chinese goods and it's scratch her. You know? You know me go buy the Chinese goods and it go scratch her.
No. Same thing never been at the wholesale and the same thing at the supermarket.
Same thing at the...
A regular me buy it. I promise you. Nobody now go business for you. Buy what you buy and go on. At 2019 nobody cares. My boyfriend does it all the time.
Alright, so I can buy it at the wholesale
Yes,
or
you
the supermarket.
Yes, Cortex with wings.
Cortex with wings.
Yes,
And
and
what
if
color
you don't
that?
get Cortex, it come now one pink wrapper. But if you don't get that, you can just get anyone with wings. Once it have wings, you're good. And it normally says with wings on the paper.
And for the heavy floor?
Yes.
Alright, thanks, yeah.
Alright, no problem. Have a good
Chocolate banana chip. Bro, them knocks. Every target take
Like, share, subscribe right now. It's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.
Yeah, my dear man, what I'm to you, where your son, sir? What? Pain? What kind of pain? Pill you want? Because man not buy them thing there, yo. Man not buying a pad for your lady. What you take man for? Yeah, me know you want it easy, no? My general. Could have buy a pad for my girl for me. Eh? Oh, you buy it for me? General, you can't buy a pad for my girl for me. EG? My general. What you say? You could buy a pad for my girl for me. You what? So you can go inside? So when she come out, she can buy it for me? You buy a pad for your girl? Yo, my girl, easy no man. Eh? Oh, you buy a pad already for your girl? But I feel like a beat up thing, yo. A little boy thing she take me for, yo. Yeah, but imagine me going there now and I start pick up. I not even know which one for choose, yo. Which one for choose? You have different type. Hello, lady. Which type you want? See the man that tell me the information, you know. The one with the dove. What other one the name? In general? The always, you know, enough things, man. Are the always you want? Yeah, you're right. You're right, you know. You know what you think. Good man alone buy them thing there. Buy panty.
Yeah, man.
Once you take it off, you can buy it.
Yeah.
No, for true, man. Alright, then I gotta see what I'm going in there.
All ladies, they want to see me. And see me what the youth and me and see me. She hard to see them thing there.
Oh, with the...
More time I care, she like a baby.
Yeah.
Hard to see them thing, the man.
No, because you want a real father, man.
You see me earlier?
Yeah, you want a real father, man.
Me and him be together.
I know people that like
Boom! That's serious. Big up. Yeah, Rasta. I gotta see what I'm going.
The woman take off.
Love go far away. Love. So if my love her, I'm gonna go buy the pad. Love conquer all.
Are you for put it on and take
Me
it
for
off?
put it on and take it.
No,
Can't. No, man.
You can't keep it.
Oh.
I mean, I'm just
Okay.
We dress to each other.
Bomba, this come like a couple. You're married.
Yeah,
You see that?
We take
A
off.
happy couple. A true love for you.
So we are going to be that they take off my own.
No, man, this one,
And
see.
me wash out for
I own a TV alone, I see that to the pan, you know. A TV alone, I see that pan. And that for happen. I got man up and do it. See? I got man up and do it. Big up for that, see? It's shot that. Oh, for me, do the shot. I out of it for me. Because next thing, yeah, next thing I go buy the pad, I go home, go see a man there. Though, madness, all that, hear you, all that too. Yeah, babes, what you say wrong with you? What I'm to you? Why you want a pill? Why a Andrew's? No, my girl, I can't buy that. Man, nah buy that, yo. big bad man you ask about that man now buying a pod for your lady. What kind of thing? No, then the shop not then near you, man. My girl, a fool ya. We go. Alright. Yes, man. Are you in?
No, sir.
And are you in?
No, what I pack it up from?
No, man, are you job from?
This?
Yeah. Are you in? Yeah. What you do with it?
What do this?
I don't know.
I'm going to put it in the bag.
Alright. Nah, chill.